this change, they act like I ain't all this. Get in money, nigga, that my man.
I hate having to do this. Stressful. Whoa. I had a feeling. La. Okay, well, I'm actually going to go and continue doing my hair. I'm going to see you guys when I'm done. Okay, it's so dark. Like I don't get it. See you guys, I just took out, like completely took out my braids. Can you guys see how dirty my hair is? It's lunch. What's it called? Wheat rice, quinoa, spinach, some green beans, and some other veggies. Really tasty.
Have this thing now.
You should have left it there. Me say you are telling to Mr. Bounce and they fucking annoyed me. And whoa, I look like a thief. But I'm here now at Lema because I think this color. I'm not sure. I think this is the color. I'm not really sure though. Like a ginger kind of color. Yeah, obviously to get hair bleach, which is like, I think it's this one. I'm not sure. I still don't know. it's this one, or but I want like a ginger color, like something like this. What two colors make blue? What two colors make blue? Like I have an idea. Okay. So you guys, I'm actually back home. I've had like a long day, obviously, because I had to like walk around like everywhere I went to. This little footage of me outside, I looked like a mess. I didn't look like myself at all. So actually I bought like I bought a few things which I would actually love to like do like unboxing and show you guys what I got, but we don't have that much time since the sun is like going down and it's getting dark. Since it's winter, it gets like really dark, like real fast. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to like start the whole dyeing my hair process. First of all, we're going to start by getting a t-shirt that we're not going to like be wearing ever again, because I don't want to stain my clothes. So this is going to be my hair dye / hair bleach shirts from now on, so at least it's got a purpose, unlike me, trash. All right, so I got this, I don't know if you guys can see it. So I got this hair bleach, and seriously, it has just one powder and the hydrogen peroxide. I don't know what this is. Okay. It well. I was expecting like a hair wrap kind of. Maybe it's a hair wrap, honestly I don't know. But yeah, so this is literally it. I don't know how this is going to go around my whole hair. I don't know how this is going to go around my whole hair. Then this is the, like, I think the color should be fine. I think as long as my hair bleaches well, then I think the color should be fine. But this is the color I actually want to go for. Ginger kind of like color. I think the color should do fine. This is it. And then I think this is the oxidant cream again. Then it's got like a conditioner. Honestly, in my opinion, I think hair dyes here suck. Like they suck at like hair dyes. Actually, like the ones for retail. Honestly, they just, to me, they suck. So I'm going to be wearing the gloves, and before then I'm actually going to partition my hair into like different parts, and then I'm going to like brush my hair / like detangle my hair. You guys, this is just one portion of my hair. Look at how thick my hair is. And okay, so this is like one part of my hair that is like divided into 4. You guys, this is how, whoa, you guys, I lost a lot of hair. not going to be like really light orange. I think it's going to be, you know, if it's from the heat, it's going to be this, but from like a very dark color, I think my hair is not going to like open this much. Probably going to open as this, so I'm probably going to get this color, but I just hope but my hair isn't, even these streaks are really coated with bleach, isn't bleaching either. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to leave it for a while still. Just so anyway, I'm going to end this video here, and well, you guys can see, if you want to see my results and want to follow up on what I did, or what I did, or what I'm going to do for the rest of my hair, or you want to see the results of my hair, then subscribe to my channel for more, because I'll come with a second part to kind of show the rest of the hair. But for today, this is all. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.